Friends, the importance of innovation had been reinforced in the COVID-19 era in all walks of life. The disruption forced us to reimagine for our lifestyles the way we think and we work. In the context of the Indian pharma sector too, the speed, scale, and willingness to innovate had been truly impressive. For example, it is this spirit of innovation that led to India becoming a major producer and exporter of PPEs. And it is the same spirit of innovation that led to India being at the forefront of innovating, producing, administering, and exporting COVID-19 vaccines. Friends, the same spirit of innovation is reflected in the steps being taken by the government to encourage growth in the pharma sector. Last month, the government has released a draft document outlining the policy catalyzed research and development and innovation in the pharma medtech sector in India. This policy reflects India's commitment to encourage R&D in pharmaceutical and medical devices. Our vision is to create an ecosystem for innovation that will make India leader in a drug discovery and innovation medical devices. Our policy interventions are being made based on wide consultation with all stakeholders. We are sensitive to the industry demands on regulatory framework and are actively working in this direction. The industry has got a major boost through the production-linked incentive schemes worth over 30,000 crore rupees for the pharmaceutical and medical devices.